the mother of chic fashion is back. And this time, her wardrobe looks even better and splashier. The trailer of Emily in Paris Season 4 is out, and the outfits already have us hooked, lined and sinkered. Lily Collins, aka Emily, looks more striking this time in bold palettes and stripes. Starting with the classic, she channeled the aesthetic of Audrey Hepburn's My Fair Lady in a black and white striped gown complete with a big bow, wide brim hat, masquerade mask, bold lips and short hair. We think in this particular scene, she will make a show-stopping entry. She is also rocking many tailored pantsuits in the new season in bold colors, while ditching her usual pastel and earthy tones. Check out this look. Emily's bold cobalt blue suit complements her lively personality so much, pushing us to go for bolder colors. In another scene, she wore a red and white striped fitted pantsuit paired with a red shirt and bold lips, which once again looks striking. Her white shirt game also looks fetch in many scenes. The ruffled white shirt with a mustard yellow bow necktie is how you should be styling your basic white shirt next. And who said one has to look boring while exercising? In the very first scene, Emily wore a funky sleeveless jacket along with a red sports top. Oh, and isn't this pink cropped shrug looking so cute? We love it and can't wait to see all the fashionable outfits. What do you think of Emily's fashion in Season 4? Share your views in the comments and do subscribe to Shosha for more on fashion.